Hello, third graders. You have made it to the final week of school. I'm so proud of all the work that you've done. This would normally be like class party week and all the fun times week. So it makes me a little sad, but you don't have to do as much this week. There are only 4 things for you to do, and only one of them requires that you share it with me. So I'll go over that, but know that you need to be reading for 20 minutes each day, and you need to be doing iStation 2 times a week for 30 minutes each time, which equals 60 minutes. I did a prize giveaway for those that did it last week. So be looking for ways to get a prize by doing your 60 minutes. All right, let's go over the choice board. So the first is Foundations in 5. You're going to watch both videos and learn about what ISD seniors think about reading, and Bidadoo 2 Foundations in 5. So the first one, you're going to click on it, YouTube, and it'll take you to the video. This video is talking about seniors and how they feel about reading. And then the next one is just the last Foundations in 5. You need to watch both of those videos, okay? Then we have a class reading. It's called Poppy's Jalopy, and a jalopy is an old type of car. So you're going to read through this poem 3 times. The first time you're going to read it silently in your head. The second time you're going to read it in a whisper voice. And the third time you're going to read it to someone at home. So these first times are practicing so that you get it really well. And then you're going to read it to mom, dad, brother, sister, whoever is at your house with you. Okay? So you're going to click on Poppy's Jalopy. And it'll go to the poem. And it's got Caroline Pignett is an Irish-Canadian author who has written for highlights. In this poem, a speaker describes their grandfather's car. So it's about his car. As you read, take notes on the words the speaker uses to describe the car. If you want to take some notes about how the car looks, how the car feels, how the car sounds, okay? You're going to take some notes and then you can share them with me. So the first time, remember, you're reading through this poem on your own in your head. The second time, you're going to read it out loud. So the first time is really practice. Second time is so that you can hear it. You're going to read it in a whisper voice. And the third time, you are going to read it to someone in your house. So mom, dad, babysitter, whoever is in your house that will listen to you read it. Okay? Then you're going to do the safety near pod. So you're going to click on it. It's going to take you, it's the same thing we've been doing. It's got some different questions in here, but it's about safety while you're at home on the computer and things like that. So you're going to click your name. Oops. I'm going to just say Joe, because I've used my name multiple times. What is cyberbullying? You're going to click through. For the essential question, what is cyberbullying and what can you do to stop it? You're going to read through your learning objectives, and then it's got some activities, okay, for you to do. Get finished with that. That is a must do, it says. And then the final thing that you're going to do is create a magnetic poem. So it says, create your own magnetic poem to express what you love most about the summer. So I'm going to click where it says create. Remember, anytime it's underlined, it's probably a link to something else. You have to make a copy of this one. So I'm going to click make a copy. And as soon as it loads, we'll show you what to do. What a cute dog. Okay. So it says magnetic poems are created by moving word tiles around to create a meaning. You will create your own magnetic poem with summer words. Be sure to search for a picture that represents summer and add it to the background of your slide. Move the word tiles around to build your poem. You can use as many or as few tiles as you prefer. There are blank tiles that are provided for you. As the poet, you can add words or delete word titles that you don't use. As you write your poem, think about lines and stanzas, mood and tone in the message. So remember, instead of sentences, they have lines. They're shorter. Stanzas are groups of lines. The mood and the tone are both what you are feeling as the writer and what you are wanting the reader to feel. And what message do you want to get across in your poem? Reread your poem and revise it as needed. Make sure it makes sense. And then feel free to add suffixes like ing to words as you need to. And then use word art to add a title to your poem that connects to your message. So here's an example that we've done. And it's got a picture of a backyard like grass. It says backyard oasis. And it's talking in the poem about all the things you see, hear, feel, smell, do, taste, touch in the backyard. Backyard camping, blow up pool, sticky popsicles melting, sprinkler under the trampoline, cool water, hot sun, family, smiles, outside summer fun. So you're going to do something like this. You're going to start out with a background. So right here where it says background, you're going to click change background, choose an image. And then if you have an image from your camera, if you've taken a picture of something you want to put on there, you can click camera and it'll let you take a picture. You can do it from your photos. You can add a picture from your Google Drive, or the easiest way is a Google image search. So when I think of summer, I am always sitting by the pool. So I'm going to put pool background. I'm just going to choose one that I like. I think this one is very pretty, so I'm going to click it. And then it says insert. I'm going to insert it. It might take it a minute. There we go. And I'm going to pick done. Okay. I'm going to insert your title. Go to insert and then word art. And then your title is going to be whatever you are going to be talking about. So I'm going to put pool paradise. Move it where I need it to go, like up at the top. Okay, and then I'm going to move these words to make a poem. So I'm going to put pool, play. I can click to add if I wanted it to be playtime. Pool playtime. Fun. Then I just keep adding words. You can revise these words if you want. There are tons of blank ones over here if you want to add a blank one. There are some words over here that just need to be added. Pool playtime fun. Sunny. Cool water. So you're moving the things to make a poem. You are creating this. When you get finished, you're going to click share and type my name, Kayleigh .steward at LubbockISD.org. And you're going to share it with me. Okay, I hope y'all have a great last week of school. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to send me a email or comment on Google Classroom, and I'd be happy to help you. I will see y'all in the chats this next week. Thank you.